demonstration of anionic surfactant analysis using the Fluorat fluorescence analyzer. First, we need to add 5 ml of the sample into a separating funnel. And then add 4 ml of water. And then you need to add 1 ml of acridine yellow dye. The last to add is hydrochloric acid, 1 ml of hydrochloric acid. So this is the aqueous layer. Next we are going to add 5 ml of chloroform to extract the anionic surfactant from the aqueous layer. So now we have 5 ml of sample, 4 ml of water, 1 ml of acridine yellow, 1 ml of hydrochloric acid, and 5 ml of chloroform in the mixture. Now we're going to shake the funnel vigorously for 2 minutes to extract the anionic surfactant into the chloroform layer. So after extraction, we wait till the 2 layers have been separated, and the bottom layer is the chloroform layer, and that has the anionic surfactant that's been extracted. However, we also have a tiny bit of aqueous solution stuck at the bottom, so we need to get rid of it first. Just discard the bottom solution. It's about 1 millimeter, and then use a tissue to clean the aqueous solution off from the tip of the separating funnel. Then next you can fill up the quartz cuvette with the organic layer solution. So the cuvette has been filled up and we can place it into the analyzer. So we're going to measure the amount of anionic surfactant in the extracted solution. You can choose a calibration curve from the drop-down menu, and the default number for the repeated measurements is 3, but you can change it to whichever number you want. To start the analysis, all you have to do is just press the measure button. Now the 3 repeated measurements are finished. The mean value is calculated as 0.507 milligram per liter of anionic surfactant in our solution. If you are satisfied with the result, just press Save Results. And if you have parallel runs for the same sample, all the results can be recorded in the right side panel of the screen, and you will get some statistic numbers such as the average and relative standard deviation for all the parallel runs as well. And if you are satisfied with all the results, then just save it to the database. Yeah, this is how you can measure anionic surfactant in an aqueous solution.